Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Toyota RAV4 2.5 VVT-h. This is the Excel model with the CVT automatic gearbox, and it does come with 4-wheel drive. It's currently done 26,718 miles, and it's finished in the colour Dakuma Grey. It comes with 2 previous Toyota services. It's a very lovely example. It sits nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This RAV4 features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. To the rear you do have the powered tailgate, which you can open and close with just the push of a button. It provides you with easy access to the very spacious 580 litre boot. You can also increase the space to 1,690 litres when you put the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. It comes with ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On your steering wheel here to the left you have controls for the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have controls for your radar cruise control, which is perfect for those motorway journeys. You've got the display here in the instrument cluster where you've got access to different driving data. You can see the energy flow from the self-charging hybrid system as well, and your all-wheel drive display. You've got access to all different settings, including your lane departure warning system, pre-collision warning system and blind spot monitoring, all features that make you feel much safer when you're on the go. Centered in the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now this system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. The system does come with the Bluetooth telephone menu. Here you can safely make hands-free phone calls while you're on the go. You also have your apps with the eStore. You can even find navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. In the info menu you have your energy monitor. You can also find your trip information as well as your trip history. You've also got your setup where you've got system and vehicle settings. This RAV4 does come with front and rear parking sensors as well as a 360 camera, which provides you with clear visibility of the vehicle and makes parking much easier. Below from the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats and you also have a heated steering wheel so you can keep nice and warm. Below this you have a 12-volt socket and USB input. In the center console you will find your automatic gear selector.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.